In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to the Sepolia Testnet using your MetaMask extension. This is an incredibly useful tool if you're looking to experiment with the Ethereum blockchain without using real Ether. By the end of this guide, you'll be seamlessly connected and ready to explore all that the test network has to offer. To begin, you'll need to open the MetaMask extension in your browser. You can find this in your browser's extensions area, usually represented by a little fox icon if you've installed it previously. Once MetaMask is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your account icon. Give that a click. A menu will appear, and from there you want to select Settings. This is where we can access some of the more detailed preferences that MetaMask offers. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section contains a variety of options that allow you to tweak how MetaMask functions. Keep scrolling down until you find an option titled Show Test Networks. Go ahead and turn that on. Enabling this setting is crucial because by default, MetaMask hides these networks to simplify the interface for everyday users. But since we're diving into the test networks, we want them visible. Now that you've got the test networks displayed, return to the main MetaMask screen. You can do this by clicking the MetaMask icon again. This takes you back to the dashboard of your wallet. Here, you'll want to focus on the Network drop-down menu located at the top center of your MetaMask interface. It might currently display something like Ethereum Mainnet, which is the primary network for real Ether transactions. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of networks. With test networks enabled, you'll now see the Sepolia Test Network among the options listed. Simply click on Sepolia Test Network to make the switch, and with that, you're all set. You've successfully connected to the Sepolia Testnet. This environment mimics the Ethereum network, offering a place where you can test smart contract deployments and experiment with transactions without the need for real Ether. Remember that using test networks is a safe way to get familiar with blockchain technology and to test your dApp development skills without financial risk. Having access to networks like Sepolia makes it easier to simulate scenarios and troubleshoot any issues that might arise, enhancing your understanding and confidence in interacting with blockchain technology. Enjoy your exploration and learning in the Sepolia Testnet.